Hello guys, Namaste to one and all. In this session, we will do limits and derivatives. From that chapter, we are going to solve exercise 13.2, okay, which is truly based on the derivatives. Okay, first exercise 13.1 will be there, that is based on limits. But now we will do exercise 13.2, which is based on derivatives. See, based on this introduction formulas. So that f dash of a will nothing but limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a by h, or in terms of f dash of x means limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h, like that also we can write. And again by using these algebra of limits based on these formulas, okay, and then again this is some derivative formulas I have written and send the notes to your WhatsApp. Okay, so based on these formulas like d by x of x, and again x power n, u v rule, u by v rule, okay, k into f of x means k into f dash of x, again by using sin x means cos x, derivative of cos x means minus sin x. Based on this algebra of limits and these general derivative formulas, we are going to solve exercise 13.2. see that first question. Find the derivative of x square minus 2 at x equal to 10. So in this exercise 13.2, there will be two types of problems. See, if you observe this question, they did not mention using first principle. But some questions, they will mention that find the derivative of some function by first principle. By first principle. See, if they mention by first principle, you need to use that method only. If they did not mention by first principle in that question, you can use first principle or any another method, general derivatives method. But if they mention means you need to do only this one. If they did not mention means you can do first principle or normal method. Okay, in this question they did not given. See, first of all, for any given function, I will consider as let f of x is equal to x square minus 2. They asked find the derivative of this function at x equal to. Whenever they said at x equal to 10 or 2 or like that, first we need to find f dash of x. So that I have written f of x equal to x square minus 2. See, for this function I am differentiate with respect to x. See, compulsory you need to write before differentiating. Differentiate with respect to x. Then f of x will become f dash of x, which is equal to derivative of x square is 2x minus derivative of constant is 0. So f dash of x we got 2x. Now what they are asking derivative of this is this at x equal to 10. That means f dash of 10, which is equal to 2 into 10, which is 20. See, like this we need to simplify. If we consider as f of x, it will become f dash of 10. Otherwise, if we consider y equal to x square minus 2, after applying differentiate with respect to x, it will become dy by dx is equal to 2x. Now dy by dx at x equal to 10, that we will mention as dy by dx at x equal to 10, which is equal to 2 into 10, that means 20. Like this also we can write by considering y, it will become dy by dx, or if we consider f of x, it will become f dash of x, and that given particular number we will write here. Next, find the derivative of 99x at x equal to 10. See, as usual we will consider as y equal to 99x, differentiate with respect to x, y will become dy by dx. Always for y, if we differentiate with respect to x, it will become dy by dx is equal to, this is constant into function, as it is constant 99 into derivative of x is 1, that means 99. Now what they are asking at x equal to 100. So here we need to find dy by dx at x equal to 100. So also the solution will be 99 only. But here if you observe, here f dash of 10 means 2 into 10 we have considered. When we will consider this 10 or 100 or any 2, if the number, if they given, when we will consider means if x is there, in that place of x we will substitute that given number. But here after finding dy by dx, we did not have any variable here, nothing but x. So no need to substitute 100 anywhere. So directly whatever we will get, that only we should write. Next, find the derivative of x at x equal to 1. So as usual I will consider y equal to x, differentiate with respect to x. So y will become dy by dx which is equal to derivative of x is 1. Again similarly derivative of x at x equal to 1, nothing but dy by dx at what? At x equal to 1, nothing but 1 only. Why? Because there is no x value, no need to substitute these number. So directly what we get dy by dx, that is only answer. Next question note. Find the derivative of the following functions from first principle. Find the derivative of following functions from first principle. See, in this fourth question they have given 4 sub question, x cube minus 21 and this and this and this. Okay, I will do these 2 questions, that first and 4, remaining 2 you do. Okay, by using first principle. See, by using first 3 problems are normally we can do. Why? Because they did not mention any like by using first principle, but in this question they mentioned, right? So that's why we need to apply that first principle method. What is that? We are going to see now. See, first one, x cube minus 27 given, right? For this solution I am doing, I will consider let f of x is equal to x cube minus 27. X cube minus 27. See, here we know that according to that first principle, f dash of x means limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, this is the formula whenever we are going to find derivative. This is a general formula. Here f dash of x will become, f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. So f of x plus h will become x plus h whole cube. Okay, in this x plus we need to substitute x plus h whole cube minus 27. This is first term, this one, minus f of x. What is f of x? X cube minus 27 divided by h. Okay, this one we need to simplify. So it will be limit h tends to 0. So this is a plus b whole cube formula, which is x cube plus h cube plus 3xh into x plus h minus 27. So this is minus x cube plus 27 divided by h. Okay, this x cube and minus x cube cancel, minus 27 and plus 27 cancel. So remaining terms are limit h tends to 0. Observe guys, limit h tends to 0. This is h cube plus 3xh into x is 3x square h plus 3xh into h is 3xh square. Okay, divided by h. Now from numerator, if we take h common, numerator h common tagondidre h square plus 3x square plus 3x divided by h. These two will be cancelled. So remaining terms is limit h tends to 0 h square plus 3x square plus 3x. Hope you are understanding. So these are easy simplifications. Now as limit h tends to 0, h value will become 0, right? As limit h tends to 0, h value will become 0. Sorry, this is a 3xh square now, this is 3xh. So it will become 0 square plus 3x square plus 3x into 0, which will become 3x square. Okay, so the derivative of x cube minus 27 is 3x square. Okay, this is nothing but by using first principle. First principle andre enilla, you need to remember this formula f dash of x. By using this formula we need to simplify, that we will consider as first derivative principle. And again next question, sub question in that, x plus 1 by x minus 1. So this we will consider as f of x. F of x is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1. Similarly we know that f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So which will become limit h tends to 0. See, x plus h another x place alli substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, whatever it may be the given question. So x plus h, it will become x plus h plus 1, okay, divided by x plus h minus 1. ಇದು f of x plus h ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. f of x ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ given x plus 1 by x minus 1 divided by h. So it will become limit h tends to 0. So ಇದು ನಾವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So LCM will become x plus h minus 1 into x minus 1 whole divided by h. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು x plus h minus 1. Okay, now this one we need to simplify very carefully. Why? Because small mistakes will you won't get correct answer. So now you multiply x into x. This is x square minus x plus hx minus h. This is plus x minus 1. This is first one. Next idanu multiply mad x into x, x square. Okay, here I will write x square plus hx minus x plus h minus 1 whole divided by, here h I will write here, h into x plus h minus 1 into x minus 1. See, numerator alli we need to do simplification. See, x square minus x square cancel. Here itself plus x minus x cancel. Here also minus x plus x cancel. This is hx minus hx. These two also cancel. So remaining terms are minus h. Okay, this minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 also cancel. So remaining terms in that numerator, if you observe, that is minus 2h divided by h into x plus h minus 1 into x minus 1. See, h and h will get cancelled. We will get limit h tends to 0 minus 2 by x plus h minus 1 into x minus 1. Now we will substitute the h value, h tends to 0 here. ಇದು 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ x minus 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That means minus 2 by x minus 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1 whole square. So this is what f dash of x for the given function x plus 1 by x minus 1. See, these problems are very simple. Okay, you need to remember this one formula, and you should understood how to write that f of x plus h, okay, in terms of this function. Then easily you can solve. So actually these type of questions they are asking for 3 marks. So this is about 4th question. Next, question number 5. For the function f of x is equal to x power 100 by 100 plus x power 99 by 99 plus so on plus x square by 2 plus x plus 1, prove that f dash of 1 is equal to 100 into f dash of 0. Okay, see, whenever we have f dash of 1 or f dash of 10 or f dash of 100, first we need to find f dash of x by using f of x. ಅದು first find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಥರ. So I will consider given f of x is equal to x power 100 by 100 plus x power 99 by 99 plus so on plus x square by 2 plus x plus 1. So now I will do differentiate with respect to x. See, remember guys, whenever you are doing differentiation or applying derivative, you need to write this compulsory. In second year also, don't think that first P examinations are over, okay, but in second year also derivatives will be there. Whenever you are applying, you need to compulsory, you need to write. So then f of x will become f dash of x is equal to, as 100 is constant, okay, in denominator, na, that is 1 by 100 into x power 100 formula. See, we know that d by dx of x power n, that is n into x power n minus 1. Similarly, x power 100 derivative is also 100 into x power 100 minus 1 is 99 plus this is also 1 by 99 into x power 99 derivative is 99 into x power 99 minus 1 is 98, okay, plus so on. This one also, this is 1 by 2 into x square derivative 2x plus x derivative 1 plus 1 derivative 0. So if you simplify this, 100 cancel, 99 cancel, 2 cancel. So remaining this f dash of x will be x power 99 plus x power 98 plus so on x power 1, okay, and this one we can write as x plus x power 0, or which will be equal to 1. So this is what f dash of x. Now what they are asking is prove that f dash of 1 is equal to 100 into f dash of 0. First we will find LHS. What is LHS? F dash of 1. We know that f dash of x, f dash of 1 andre x place alli 1 substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So it will become 1 power 99 1, 1 power 98 1 plus 1 plus so on plus 1. So it will become 100. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 1 ಇದೆ. 1 to 99 ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 100. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ LHS. ನಾವು ವೆನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು RHS is 100 into f dash of 0. ಸೊ 100 into what is f dash of 0? x ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 0 ಪವರ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. Why? Because last here we have 1. So it will become 100 into 1, which is equal to 100. Therefore f dash of 1 is also equal to 100 into f dash of 0. Right? Okay, this is about question number 5. You can take screenshot or you can write when I am telling. Next one, question number 6. Find the derivative of x power n plus ax power n minus 1 plus a square x power n minus 2 plus so on a power n minus 1 into x plus a power n for some real number a. See, to do this simple I am telling. See, d by dx of 5x square. How we will write? For example, I am telling d by dx of 5x square you can write as 5 into as constant here. So 5 into x square derivative 2x. 5 constant ಇದಾಗ. Okay, like this we need to do. ಅದೇ d by dx of 5 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so based on this trick we need to do. Now here I will consider f of x is equal to x power n plus a into x power n minus 1 plus a square x power n minus 2 plus so on a power n minus 1 into x plus a power n. ಇದು given function. Now I am doing differentiate with respect to x. So f of x will become f dash of x is equal to x power n. We know that the x power n derivative directly, you know that formula is n into x power n minus 1 plus, as here a is constant, a into x power n minus 1 derivative n minus 1 into x power n minus 1 minus 1. Okay, plus a square into x power n minus 2 derivative is n minus 2 into x power n minus 2 minus 1. Why? Because derivative of x power n formula is n into x power n minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ n minus 2 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n minus 2 minus 1. Similarly, see this is a power n minus 1 constant, x derivative 1 plus a power n derivative 0. Okay, this is what f dash of x. F dash of x is nx power n minus 1 plus n minus 1 into a into x power n minus 2 plus n minus 2 into a square x power n minus 3 plus so on last a power n minus 1. This is what f dash of x for question number 6. Next, question number 7. For some constants a and b, find the derivative of x minus a into x minus b, ax square plus b square. Okay, and then x minus a by x minus b. See, in this question also they did not mention by using first principle. Or mention madilla andre we can do like anything. Or mention madre we need to apply that formula only. That is f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯು ವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ಯು ವಿ ರೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್. ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಡಿ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ವಿ is equal to u v dash plus v u dash, and again this is in the form of u by v rule. This one whole square. First to expand this. So okay, like that we need to solve. See, first one I am doing as it is. I will consider as f of x is equal to x minus a into x minus b. Okay, this you need to consider as u, this you need to consider as v. Therefore if you apply differentiate with respect to x, it will become f dash of x is equal to, what is u? U is x minus a into, then v dash is nothing but d by dx of x minus b. Okay, plus v into u dash. What is v? V is x minus b into d by dx of x minus a. Okay, u v dash plus v u dash. So it will become x minus a into derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of b is 0 plus x minus b into derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of a is 0. So it will become x minus a into 1 plus x minus b. So it will become x minus a plus x minus b, which results 2x minus a minus b. Okay, so this f of x we can simplify by using this uv rule. Otherwise, okay, otherwise another shortcut formula is also there. Nothing but so many methods will be there in differentiation. Whichever you feel comfort that you can follow. There is no restriction that you need to do only uv rule or u by v or product rule like that. Okay, so first one, this given f of x you multiply first x into x. This is x square minus bx minus ax plus ab. ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಈ ತರ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of minus bx is minus b, derivative of minus ax is minus a plus a into b, where a and b are constants anta kottidru avaru. So derivative of ab is 0. So this is 2x minus a minus b. This is the answer. Okay, if you apply uv rule also you will get same answer. If you apply normal method also you will get same answer. Whichever you feel easy that you can follow. Okay, so this is about question number 1. This second question you try. See nothing here. Here this in the form of a plus b whole square. That you expand. Okay, that you expand, you will get the equations like this, and then you apply differentiation. But here I am telling this third question. The third sub question, that is, okay, third one. So I will consider that as f of x is equal to x minus a by x minus b. Okay, that for that we need to apply differentiation. See, before that you remember d by dx of u by v is equal to vu dash minus uv dash by v square. So u you consider as x minus a, v you consider as x minus b. So now you come to here, differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to, apply this formula. What is v? V means x minus b into u dash. U dash means d by dx of x minus a minus u. What is u? X minus a into v dash means d by dx of this denominator, that we will consider as v, divided by v square. V square means x minus b whole square. See, now we can apply derivatives here. X minus b into derivative of x minus a is 1. Okay, minus x minus a into derivative of x minus b is again 1. Why? Because x derivative 1, b derivative 0, divided by x minus b whole square. So if you simplify this, x minus b, okay, minus x plus a. So x and x will get cancelled. Okay, that solution will become a minus b by x minus b whole square. Right? Okay, this is about how to simplify u by v rule. Numerator you consider as u, denominator you consider as v. Whenever dashes are there, nothing but u dash or v dash, there you apply derivatives for that respective functions. Okay, so in these two questions you can understand clearly how to solve uv rule method, nothing but product rule. Here quotient rule. This is about question number 7. Now we will go for question number 8. Find the derivative of x power n minus a power n by x minus a for some constant a. So this is also u by v rule only. Okay, so first of all I will consider as, let f of x is equal to x power n minus a power n by x minus a. See, formula you can write, we know that d by dx of u by v is equal to vu dash minus uv dash by v square. So here u will consider as numerator, v will consider as denominator. So when we are applying this formula, so okay, before that you need to do differentiate with respect to x. Then f of x will become f dash of x, which is equal to v into u dash. What is v? V is denominator, x minus a into u dash. U dash means d by dx of x power n minus a power n minus u. What is u? Again numerator, x power n minus a power n into v dash. V dash andre d by dx of the denominator. Okay, see guys, this, if you remember this formula, easily you can solve these type of questions. Divided by v square. V square andre denominator whole square. Now we apply these simple derivatives. d by dx of x power n. X power n andre eno? n into x power n minus 1 minus a power n andre constant derivative 0. minus x power n minus a power n into d by dx of x minus a, that is equal to 1 divided by x minus a whole square. So now you multiply these two guys, okay, x into you do n into, here power 1 will be there, here n minus 1 will be there. If you add powers, minus 1 plus 1 will cancel, it will be n minus a into this one, a into n into x power n minus 1 minus, so this is minus x power n minus into minus plus a power n divided by x minus a whole square. Otherwise, okay, if you take common x power n, then also like that also you can write like x power n, if you take common, it will become n minus 1 plus a power n minus a n into x power n minus 1 divided by x minus a whole square. Okay, if you leave like that or like this also no problem, if you leave like this also no problem. This is what f dash of x for x power n minus a power n by x minus a. So this is question number 8. Now we will go for question number 9. So where it is, yes, see question number 9, find the derivative of 2x minus 3 by 4 and so on. These type of questions they are given, but in this I have considered on some 4 questions, one that is first one, second one, third one, and then sixth one. See, remaining fourth and fifth are very similar to that question number 3 that you can solve, and compulsory you write, maintain the notes. Okay, see, don't think, students, don't think that first PC examinations are over, PU no need to, okay, no need to learn like that, but I will tell some chapters no need to learn at all. Okay, if you did not learn for PU also no problem, but the topics like this limits and derivatives, relations and functions, okay, and then trigonometry, those are compulsory, you need to learn. Whether for first PC is there or not, for you need to learn. Why? Because those will be useful in second year. Okay, now, so given function I will consider as f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 by 4. Okay, differentiate with respect to x ಮಾಡಿ. So f of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, f dash of x 2 into x derivative 1 minus 3 by 4 constant derivative 0. So now 2x minus 3 by 4 derivative is 2. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. Why? Because first principle method is somewhat lengthy when compared to general method. Next one. So this is the function given. So I am considering let f of x is equal to, after multiplying these two, multiply 5x cube into x is 5x power 4, okay, minus 5x cube plus 3x into x is 3x square minus 3x minus x plus 1. So then this will be the function. Now I am applying differentiate with respect to x. Then f of x will become f dash of x 5x power 4, 5 into x power 4 derivative 4x cube minus 5 into x cube derivative 3x square plus 3 into x square derivative 2x minus 3x derivative minus 3 minus x derivative minus 1 plus 1 derivative 0. So then you simplify this, it will become 20x cube minus 15x square plus 6x minus 4. So this is what our f dash of x is. See, very easy na. See, these type of problems they will ask for 1 mark questions, and in second year also by applying these type of functions it will be very helpful. So that's why learn these functions. You can see, to solve these type of problems you can consider any types of functions like 5x power 9 plus 10x square. You can only write 100 number of questions and then you can start practicing. Okay, next third one, x power minus 3 into 5 plus 3x. Okay, this chapter by our own we can make so many number of questions. Here I will consider f of x is equal to x power minus 3 into 5 plus 3x. Now before applying derivative, first you simplify this. X power minus 3 into 5 is 5x power minus 3, okay, plus x power minus 3 into 3x is 3x power minus 3. Here 1 will be there, na, x power 1 minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Okay, now this will be the function. For this you need apply derivative, differentiate with respect to x. F of x will become f dash of x here 5 into constant, 5 into x power minus 3 derivative minus 3 into x power minus 3 minus 1. Okay, x power n derivative, n into x power n minus 1. Again this one plus 3 into x power minus 2 derivative minus 2 into x power minus 2 minus 1. So it will become minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 x power minus 4 minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 x power minus 3. Okay, this is what f dash of x. So similarly, based on that you solve question number 4 and 5. Next we will solve question number 6. That is 2 by x plus 1 minus x square by 3x minus 1. So I will consider f of x is equal to 2 by x plus 1 minus x square by 3x minus 1. Okay, before simplifying, first you make it as one equation. So it will become f of x is equal to, see, denominator will become x plus 1 into 3x minus 1. Numerator is 2 into this one. 2 3s are 6x minus 2 and again x square into this. So minus x cube minus x square into 1 is minus x square. Now this is the equation. And again this denominator further you simplify. It will become, this is minus x cube minus x square plus 6x minus 2 divided by, see what if you simplify, what is this equation? This will be x into 3x is 3x square minus x plus 3x minus 1. Further you simplify, it will become minus x cube minus x square plus 6x minus 2 divided by, so this is 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Now this will be the f of x. Now we apply u by v rule. Okay, to find f dash of x you need to apply u by v rule. So differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. So it will become f dash of x is equal to, you know that u by v rule. Okay, d by dx of u by v is v u dash minus uv dash by v square. Here what is v? V is 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Denominator into derivative of numerator. Okay, the derivative of numerator you see, minus x cube derivative is minus 3x square minus x square derivative is minus 2x plus 6x derivative is 6 minus u. What is u? U is minus x cube minus x square plus 6x minus 2 into derivative of v dash, andre derivative of denominator. Derivative of 3x square is 3 to 6x plus 2 divided by this denominator whole square, 3x square plus 2x minus 1 whole square. If you simplify ಮಾಡಿ, this will be our answer. See, 3x into minus, this is minus 9x power 4, 3x into this is minus 6x cube plus 18x square, 2x, this is minus 6x cube, this is minus 4x plus 12x, minus into minus plus 3x square, minus 1 into minus 2x is plus 2x, minus 1 into plus 6 is minus 6. And then now you simplify this. Okay, minus of minus x cube into 6 is minus 6x power 4, minus x cube into 2 is minus 2x cube, this is minus 6x cube minus 2x square, and then 6x into this is plus 36x, and then plus 12x, minus 2 into 6 is minus 12x, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 whole divided by 3x square plus 2x minus 1 whole square. Okay, see guys, further you simplify this, it will become minus 9x power 4 plus 6x power 4. Okay, it will become minus 3x power 4, where are x cube, minus 6x cube minus 6x cube minus 12x cube. Here see this minus 6x cube minus into minus plus 6x cube cancel. Okay, minus 6x cube minus into minus plus 2 is minus 4x cube, and then minus 4 okay, x square terms 3x square plus 2x square, which is 5x square, and then when comes to x is okay, sorry, here 18x square plus 3x square is 21x square, 21x square plus 2, which is 23 Okay, 23x square, okay, whatever it may be. And then next, when it comes to x's, it is minus 4x plus 12x is 8x, 8x plus 2x is 10x, 10x, and here minus 36x, 10x minus 36x is minus 26x, minus 26x plus 12x is, okay, minus 14x, minus 14x minus 12x is minus 36x, minus into minus plus 4, otherwise these two we can cancel. Okay, whole divided by 3x square plus 2x minus 1 whole square. Okay, this is what f dash of x for 2 by x plus 1 minus x square by 3x minus 1. Okay, you need to simplify by applying u by v rule. This is about question number 9. Now we will solve question number 10. So where it is? Yes. Find the derivative of cos x from first principle. See the now we have the question based on first principle. Okay. Let f of x is equal to, okay, cos x. See here, now the first P exams are cancelled, but whenever first P board exams are there, definitely based on either sin x or cos x or tan x by first principle, compulsory it will be for 3 marks. Okay. Now let f of x equal to cos x. We know that f dash of x, f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, this formula you need to remember for larger time. Why? Because these formulas also will be repeated in continuity and differentiation in second period topics. Okay, so now here f dash of x will be limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h, here it will become cos of x plus h minus f of x means cos x divided by h. So it will be limit h tends to 0. So this is in the form of cos a minus cos b. You know that cos a minus cos b formula is minus 2 sin a plus b by 2, nothing but x plus h plus x by 2 into sin a minus b by 2, x plus h minus x by 2. So this is the formula of cos a minus cos b is minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 and again sin a minus b by 2. So this is limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sin, so it will become 2x plus h by 2 into sin x and x cancel, it will become sin h by 2 whole divided by h. Now here this limit h tends to 0 minus I am keeping here, this will be sin 2x plus h by 2 into, this is sin h by 2. See here, if you observe this 2 I will bring to this denominator, it will become h by 2, right? This 2 to denominator, it will become h by 2. Now if you observe, this whole function will become 1. Why? Because this h tends to 0, if you divide by 2 on both sides, it will become h by 2 tends to 0 again. Then h by 2 tends to 0, sin h by 2, h by 2, sandwich theorem, this value will be 1. Then limit h tends to 0 minus sin of 2x plus h by 2. So this is the remaining. Why? Because if it will become 1, so this is the remaining term. Now for that remaining term, h you consider as 0, it will become minus sin into 2x plus 0 by 2, nothing but 2x by 2, which is minus sin x. So this is what derivative of cos x. Actually through formula we know that is minus sin x derivatives, sorry, cos x derivatives minus sin x. But this we need to prove by using first principle. See, any derivative, any function derivative we can apply, we can find by using first principle. Next, question number 11. So that is, find the derivative of the following functions: sin x into cos x, okay, and then secant x. Okay, this is some of the questions they are given. From this, first 3 questions I will solve. That is question number sub question 1, 2 and 3. Okay, these 3 questions I will solve. Remaining you can try. If any doubts, you can ask in WhatsApp. So first one, sin x into cos x. This is what f of x I will consider as f of x is equal to sin x into cos x. We need to find derivative, right? So here they did not mention by using first principle or like that. So we can apply however we want. So sin x into cos x. So now I am applying differentiate with respect to x. it will become f dash of x is equal to, okay, UV rule is what? Sin x into derivative of cos x is, okay, minus sin x plus v into u dash. Cos x into derivative of sin x is cos x. So this is very easy, guys. See, u into v dash plus v into u dash. Sin x into derivative of cos x plus cos x into derivative of sin x. So it will become cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x. This one we can also write like cos square x minus sin square x formula is cos 2x. Okay. And then next, when it comes to second question, so I will consider f of x is equal to secant x. See, we know direct formula, that is secant x formula, but up to now we did not find it secant, na? So we can find that secant by converting into reciprocal of like cos. So we can write secant as 1 by cos x. If you apply derivative to this, okay, differentiate with respect to x, f of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, f dash of x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು u by v rule ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, this also we need to do u by v rule only, not like one constant cos x derivative minus sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by minus sin x ಆ ತರ we should not write. It will be in the form of u by v. What is u by v? Denominator square. So ಇದು v square ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So v into u dash, cos x into derivative of 1 0 minus uv dash 1 into derivative of cos x ಏನು minus sin x. It will become cos x into 0 minus into minus plus sin x by cos square x. Cos square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos x into cos x. So 1 cos x reciprocal ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ secant x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sin by cos tan ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, tan x. Okay, that means derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. Okay, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ whenever we get any secant, directly we can apply the formula secant x is secant x into tan x. Next, third question, f of x is equal to 5 secant x plus 4 cos x. So this is the given function. Now for this function I am applying differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so that will be f of x will become f dash of x is equal to 5 into derivative of secant x is what? Secant x into tan x plus 4 into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. It will be 5 secant x tan x minus 4 sin x. That's it, simple, right? See, all the questions from derivatives are very easy, guys. Okay, those you can do very easily and no need to remember so many formulas. We have only very less number of formulas, some 6 formulas based on trigonometry, and again 6 formulas based on inverse trigonometry, and then some exponential functions like e power x and a power x and a log x, and then algebraic functions like x power n, okay, x power minus 1. These type of formulas you have in terms of derivatives. If you can remember, you can solve so many number of formulas. And again, once again I am telling, this derivatives is very interesting chapter. Okay, so from this class we have completed the exercise 13.2, and then you need to solve the miscellaneous exercise that I will send the soft copy in WhatsApp group, which questions you need to solve, that you solve. And in next class we will solve miscellaneous exercise problems. Those are very important, very important. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope you are maintaining notes. Bye bye.